Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up tracking cap rates with Excel templates, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Excel and create a new workbook. Name the first sheet Cap Rate Tracker. In cell A1, type property name. In cell B1, type purchase price. Select cells A1 to E1 and apply bold formatting. You can also change the background color for better visibility. Now, move to cell A2 and start entering your first property name. In cell B2, input the purchase price of the property. For cell C2, enter the estimated net operating income. Now, to calculate the cap rate, click on cell D2. In cell D2, type the formula equals C2/B2. Press enter to calculate the cap rate for your first property. To format the cap rate as a percentage, select cell D2. Right-click and choose Format Cells. Select percentage from the options and set decimal places to 2. Now, drag the fill handle from the corner of cell D2 down to fill the cap rate formula for additional properties. Continue entering property names, purchase prices, and operating incomes in the rows below. As you input data, the cap rate will automatically calculate for each property. To make data entry easier, consider creating drop-down lists for property types. Select cell E2 and navigate to the Data tab. Click on Data Validation and select List as the validation criteria. In the source box, type out your property type separated by commas. Click OK to save the drop-down list. Repeat this for each property in the Notes section if desired. Highlight the entire data range for improved readability. Go to the Home tab and select Format as Table for a more organized view. Choose a table style you like and apply it to your data. You can now easily filter and sort your properties based on cap rate or any other criteria. Save your workbook regularly to avoid losing any data. Review your cap rate calculations to ensure accuracy as you update your properties. With this setup, you're now prepared to track cap rates effectively. Consider adding charts for visual analysis as you gather more data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.